Daishi uguo kuhana online day kuri na audios kuri na ki Esther ni ukoretwo ri rugano-ini ruru from the start until now no regrets gutaithia
no menya gutaithia gwakwa ndateithia tondu for me it's a calling, to be honest. Ndikaga just like it's a calling, and I did it, or I always do it wholeheartedly. So regrets apana. Like you get in we don't want down. So I don't have regrets. But to be honest, I'm disappointed. I it was really it's unfortunate that Modo, even after Kuramana Togo, no woka earlier Maudu Matarimega. So that disappointment but regrets no. Yeah.
How do you know that I didn't wika dagetikiri omudo ya kurabitira muturu wake Thigari urewari muturu wake kabira muturu wake Thigari ni tondu niwe itha wa ciana ciake andu magoko online ni manyitite mĩario yo baru angĩ makionania she's wise na angĩ makirakara makiona rĩngĩ ta hitirie kuringana nawe rĩ nĩrona hihi there's something wrong with that audio.
The audio, absolutely yes. Really. Among the people around that Joe Howley, never nake kabisa from A to Z. Ogo makiari rogo kana kurumuoko kwaliro. That's a bad thing. That's not good. Where the gimutaro roya akoda kurugama na family yake kana nugi wake. Hiyo ni decision yake. Na wono wodogi initially. But kwaria miario miuru that is bad. So how do you give me support on her? I'm very disappointed in her.
Do you think there's a problem? Kuga di kugiria muduri wa kwagego either wa ciana ciakwa dingitikira hingiririo. What was the problem kana reason ya kuhingiriria either wa ciana ciake yariki?